Hey students, imagine taking your great ideas and turning them into something real, something that could make a big impact for a business, in your school, or even within your community. Sound awesome? That's what Make48 Innovation Experience is all about, and you can be the one to bring it to your school.
The Make48 Innovation Experience begins with a challenge from a real business, one where you are being asked to come up with a new product that helps them solve their problem. Then, you and your friends will dive into creative brainstorming sessions, building real prototypes of your big idea to bring it to life.
We've been doing this for almost 10 years with our TV series, and now it's your turn to use the same skills and techniques we've used in our competitions. Whether it's for a class project, a club, or something fun to do after school, this is your chance to make something amazing. You and your team might even make it onto the television series.
Not only will you get to see your ideas come to life, but you'll also learn skills that can set you up for future success. Things that employers are looking for, like problem solving, teamwork, and thinking like an entrepreneur.
Hey, we get it. Taking on a big project like this can feel a little bit intimidating. But don't worry, we've got your back. From easy to follow videos to important milestones, we'll provide the resources you need to succeed.
And we're going to train your teacher or club advisor to help them lead the way and give them access to an exclusive community where they can get regular help and feedback from experts so that they, in turn, can help you.
Want to get others involved? The Make48 Innovation Experience is a great reason to rally support from local businesses, community leaders, and even your parents. Innovation is a team sport, and with Make48, you'll have a whole squad backing you up.
And at the end, you get to pitch your ideas in front of an audience. So imagine pitching your new product to business partners, showing off what you've created. And if your idea is awesome, you could even win cash prizes or see your idea go to market.
Ready to make your big ideas a reality? Don't wait. Talk to your teacher, your club advisor, or even your principal today about bringing Make48 to your school. Ask them to get in touch with us.
Because with Make48, you and your friends can make your big ideas come to life.